Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to be breaking down my 2-light beauty setup. Starting with my favorite lights here, the Godox QS400 version 2s. Now, the version 2s that I'm going to be using are going to each have a different modifier. The first modifier is a 2x3 softbox that I'm going to position nice and low, and the second is an extra large umbrella with diffusion that I'm going to position nice and high. That is going to go behind me when I shoot, and the softbox is going to be a lot closer, but keep in mind the softbox is going to be at a relatively low power just to fill in the shadows. Once my subject's in front of my camera, I like to keep about a 4 feet distance from the light to keep it nice and soft, and from the background another 4 feet. The same extra large umbrella is lighting up the background as well, so don't worry about light fall off because the spill is really even and really beautiful. So here you can take a look at some of the shots that we have using this simple 2-light setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of my 2-light beauty setup. If you guys do have any questions, please comment down below. Next week, we are going to be talking about using luminar sky replacement, so don't go too far. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.